Hi mga Beshi Cakes! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, my name is Jel at nandito tayo ngayon para sa isang bagong video. Today, I'm very excited to try this skincare product. So, lagi itong sold out. Like, sa mga sellers na napagtanungan ko, lagi siyang ubos. So, I'm very happy na I was able to get hold of this product. So, sabi nila, this is kind of like the Kylie skin.
Wow!
So, we will see. Actually, I don't have any Kylie skincare product. So, hindi ko talaga siya makakompare. But from the packaging, it looks like Kylie's. So, what I'm talking about is this Katty Mera Milky Mighty Facial Kit. So, this is what it looks like. Ito yung kanyang box. So, very cute yung combination ng color. It's pink and white. So, let's go ahead and see kung ano ang nasa loob ng box na ito. So, when you open it, you will see this melt-in sunscreen. Then we also have this Hydra Milk Serum. And then we have this Deep Cleansing Foam. And then we have this Milky Toner. So, ito yung mga claims. Ang sabi dito, this is a kit of 4 mini but mighty bestsellers for glowing, healthy-looking skin. This kit includes everything you need to nourish skin day and night. So this is a day and night skincare routine. So let's give it 1 week. I'll be using this product for a week. So this is going to be the first day that I'm going to use this product, and then I'll check back and see kung ano yung mga changes na mangyayari while I'm using the product. So, as you can see mga Beshi Cakes, meron pa akong makeup. So, what I'm going to use is to remove my makeup, and then we will use the Katty Mera facial kit. Back. So, natanggal na natin ang makeup sa aking face. So, ang gagawin natin ayon dito sa box, gagamitin natin yung Deep Cleansing Milk Foaming Face Wash. So, eto siya. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa CR at ating gagamitin ito to wash our face. Punta tayo ngayon sa CR. Guys, tayo ay maghihilamos. Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa CR at nabuksan ko na rin ang water. So gagamitin na natin tong Deep Cleansing Milk from Katty Mera. So i-shake natin siya. Ano siya? May flower. So, tapos na tayong maghilamos. So, we're done using the Deep Cleansing Facial Foam. So, masasabi ko ay malambot siya sa face. And amoy flower siya. Nung ginagamit ko siya kanina. Then next, according sa box, we should use the Milky Skin Perfector Toner. So, we need to use the toner. So, this is the toner. Open. May seal. Shake again. Open and then pour some. So, we will put it. Yung amoy ng toner, hindi siya amoy alcohol. Hindi din siya amoy, parang amoy milk na may flour. Parang pang bathtub, ganyan. Ganyan yung amoy. Sama natin yung leeg natin. So, yun talaga. Like, amoy siyang milk na may flour, ganon. So, wala siyang amoy alcohol. We're done with the toner. Next, as per the box, is the Hydra Milk Serum. This is the Hydra Milk Serum. Super cute ng packaging. Looks like Kylie's. Nakita ko na kasi yung Kylie na skincare. So, meron siyang ganyan. And ilagay natin siya sa ating face. Siguro dito muna. Drops of it. Same lang yung amoy. Like, kung ano yung amoy nung toner, same dito sa serum. Hindi siya ganun ka-sticky yung consistency niya. Amoy malinis, ganun. Ganun yung amoy na nakukuha ko from the product. Amoy malinis. Amoy malinis, guys. Same siya ng amoy with the toner and with the foam, facial foam. Bango niya. So, we're done with the toner. And we're done with the serum. So, same siya ng amoy. Kung ano yung amoy ng toner and the facial foam, same siya. Same sila. Amoy malinis. Like, amoy milk na may flour. Yung ganon, yung fresh yung feeling. Ganyan. So far, malambot siya sa skin. Hindi siya yung feeling na may alcohol na content yung product. Hindi siya ganon. Fresh ka lang, ganyan. So, I think we're done with our nighttime skincare routine using Katty Mera. The Katty Mera Milky Mighty Facial Kit is available at Pretty Finds by Tally. So you can go ahead and follow them on Instagram. This kit retails for 390. So far, sa first day na paggamit ko sa kanya, good experience naman siya. I like the smell. I like the feeling of the product sa face ko. So we will see after 7 days kung okay ang magiging feedback ko. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa part ng aking video kung saan tayo ay mag-shoutout. Shout out to Eman Diokno. He works with AXA. So if you're looking for a life insurance, then you can go ahead and contact him. Shout out to At Iba Pa, Pagkain Abubot Pampaganda. So if you're looking for gourmet tuyo and also flavored chicharon, go ahead and follow At Iba Pa, Pagkain Abubot Pampaganda on Facebook and on Instagram. So bago natin i-end ang video na ito, I am happy to share with you na we already have the mechanics for my 2,000 subscribers giveaway. So I will be posting them on Instagram and also on my Facebook page. Go ahead and follow the simple mechanics and there will be 3 winners. Wow. 3 lucky winners for this giveaway. So we've reached the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it to your friends, to your family members, at sa lahat-lahat na pwede niyong pag-share ng aking video. Don't forget to click on the notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga bago kong uploads. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you love this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!